Today I'm making a juicy ribeye steak in the air fryer, perfect for beginners. Take your ribeye out and let it come to room temperature. Let it dry with paper towels. This one is about 200 grams, around 1.5 centimeters thick. Season both sides with sea salt and black pepper. Rub it in and let it sit for about 15 minutes, so all that flavor can soak in. Now cut up some butter. I'm using about 12 grams. Spread some butter right on top. Throw in some peeled garlic and rosemary. Air fry at 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the steak over. Don't forget to move the garlic and rosemary back on top. On the side, add a few cherry tomatoes. Then send it back in at 200 degrees centigrade for another 5 minutes. I'm making mine well done, so if you like yours medium or medium rare, just pour it out a little earlier. Once it's done, wrap it in foil and let it rest for about 2 minutes. This part really matters. The heat settles down, the meat relaxes, and all those juices stay right where they belong. Plate it up, and we are all set. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bae's Kitchen. See you next time.